What's up, Fat Dad? Steve Mayeda here, and this is my vlog fitness journal for April 1st. It's Easter 2018. That's 2 holidays in one, April Fools and Easter. Today, I was a little sore from March 30th's workout. That was tough. And like I said, I hadn't been training 2 months. Now I still train jiu-jitsu regularly, just no strength training. So trying to get back into it ever since I've been 38 really, and I'm 40 now. Man, it's been tougher and tougher. There's a lot missing. Low T's for real people. So today we did 4 exercises, a lot of plyo stuff, some core stuff. Wasn't that hard, but definitely challenged. And just trying to keep a journal. Plus, I liked making this video because there's multiple camera angles, there's slow motion. We did a bunch of fancy stuff, and I just like practicing the art. In any case, people, thank you so much for following my channel, following me, all this sort of good stuff. Never know what you're getting here, but make some video, work out, do jiu-jitsu, go out and talk to people, and be your best self. And that's pretty much it in a bunch of different videos. Thank you so much. We're out. Boom!